chapter, Indian Heroes. The Indian independence movement was a great movement by various people from our country. They had sacrificed their blood and soul for the independence of their country. In this chapter, we have to study 5 freedom fighters. They gave their notable contributions towards the Indian freedom fight against British. First freedom fighter, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was born in Dudike, present name Moga district of Punjab. He was one of the foremost freedom fighters in India. Lala Lajpat Rai was designated the title of Punjab Kesari. Punjab Kesari. That means Lion of the Punjab. Punjab Kesari Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai was a part of famous trio of Lal, Bal, Pal. Lal, Lala Lajpat Rai. Bal, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Pal, P-A-L, Pal, Bipin Chandra Pal. They were considered as the 3 most prominent Hindi nationalist members of that era. Lala Lajpat Rai was in the forefront of the protest which erupted in opposition of the Simon Commission, which visited India in 1920 to discuss the constitutional reformers. Lala Lajpat Rai, Punjab Kesari. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. He was born in Ratnagiri. Bal was the loving name given to him by his mother. Bala Gangadhar Tilak's life was a saga of suffering and sacrifice for the sake of his country. Bala Gangadhar Tilak's life began as a teacher. He had famously declared, "Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it." He joined the Indian National Congress in 1890. He was one of the major supporters of the Swadeshi movement. He himself boycotted the British goods, which was later followed by India's at large. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bipin Chandra Pal. He was a brave freedom fighter. Bipin Chandra Pal was born in Saihat district in Bengal Presidency. He was 1/3 of the Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Bipin Chandra Pal was at the forefront of several revolutionary movements like burning Western clothes, boycotting British goods and strikes, and lockouts in the British-owned businesses. He firmly believed that this was the only way to throw out the British rulers from the country. He was not only a freedom fighter but also a librarian, journalist and teacher. Bipin Chandra Pal. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. Lal, Bal, Pal. Bipin Chandra Pal was a journalist by profession, but soon he joined the nationalist movement. He made unmatched efforts to popularize the Swadeshi movements. Next, Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey led the first mass movement against the cruel British rulers. He was born in Nagwa village of UP. He joined the army of the British East India Company. But his attack on the British officers was one of the major incidents which is known as the Sipahi Mutiny. 1857. Sipahi Mutiny 1857. It is also known as the First War of Independence. Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey. Next, Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan, also known as the Tiger of Mysore. He was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore. Mysore Tiger, Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was born in Devanahalli. Present day it is called Bangalore, Karnataka state, Bangalore. Devanahalli. Tipu Sultan, the Tiger of Mysore. He is also known as the Tiger of Mysore. He held the British at bay for more than 2 years. But after the Treaty of Srirangapattanam, he had to give up half of his territory. Tipu Sultan. Okay children, the 5 freedom fighters: Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Mangal Pandey and Tipu Sultan. Okay children, thank you. See you next class.